Today we're taking a look at the Fanxiang PS2200 portable NVMe USB connected solid state drive. Thanks to Fanxiang for sending this one over for us to take a look at. The PS2200 is an NVMe solid state drive that's portable, but it crucially features a MagSafe magnet built into it. This is a super handy feature because you can basically just stick it to the back of your smartphone case, connect the USB-C cabling, and it'll work on either Android or iOS. And you can basically dump video files, photos, downloads, whatever you have on your smartphone to this USB drive. The PS2200 includes both a USB-C and a USB-A cable. The USB-C cable supports up to 20 gigabits maximum transfer speed, while the USB-A cable supports up to 10 gigabits maximum transfer speed. Typically, you'd use the USB-C cable for newer smartphones and the USB-A cable for PCs that don't have USB-C connections. Since this drive is meant to be portable, we're also getting a small felt carrying case, which is kind of a nice feature if you're on the go. As for the performance, this drive is rated for a maximum of 2050 megabytes per second, which is plenty to allow you to record 4K ProRes from an iPhone directly onto this drive. For my smartphone testing, I basically copied a couple of 8K 24fps videos from my S25 Ultra to this drive. On average, I was seeing about 450 megabytes per second, which is quite solid in my testing with my S25 Ultra. I did, however, test this connected to my Ryzen 9700X gaming PC in Crystal Disk Mark 8. I was able to get about 2000 megabytes per second on average, so I thought that was quite excellent. The PS2200 does in fact utilize TLC NAND. TLC NAND is super performant and way more durable, generally speaking, versus QLC NAND. For the 500 gig version of this drive, it's rated for 256 terabytes written in terms of endurance. As for the 1 terabyte drive that I have here today, the endurance rating is about 512 terabytes written, and if you do opt for the 2 terabyte version, that drive can go up to 1024 terabytes written. Based on that kind of endurance rating, no matter which capacity you end up choosing, this drive should last you several years. When you're shopping for an external USB NVMe drive, you definitely want to look for TLC NAND and a drive that's rated with relatively solid endurance like this one. As for the build quality of the actual drive, it's quite good in my opinion. There's definitely some weight to it, which is good because there's likely a decent sized heatsink in there for cooling the NVMe, and of course, there's an RGB controller inside, and we've got an RGB strip there. Definitely a neat feature, and your friends will probably ask you about it. As for the bottom side of the PS2200, the MagSafe magnet is located there, and it also has rubber feet on that side, so it's definitely going to help with traction on desk-like surfaces, and it also makes it a little bit of a nicer mount when you magnetically connect it to a smartphone. It's not going to scratch your smartphone case or anything like that. As far as external NVMe USB-C connected drives go, I haven't really seen too many super high performance drives like this, where the build quality was extremely good, and it came with a bunch of accessories. The PS2200 is a solid external drive in my opinion, and I would definitely recommend it if you're looking for a quality drive, especially if you're always on the go. The 1 terabyte version that I tested out today goes for about $100 on Amazon. It definitely costs a little bit more than a QLC drive, but I think it's worth it. If you want to learn more about the PS2200 external drive, or pick one of these up for your setup, I'll leave an affiliate link in the description below, so definitely head down there and check it out. If you got any value out of this video, I'd appreciate it if you could smash that like button, as that'll let YouTube know to share this video with other people who are researching external SSDs. If you're into gaming and component testing videos like this one, consider getting subscribed to the channel and ringing that bell for notifications. There's quite a bit of content on the channel for component testing, gaming PC builds, and the occasional home lab server, so be sure to check that out as well. Until next time, keep on gaming.